Nigerian courts grant request by detained IPOB leader Kanu to apply for access to doctor medical records. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. When I saw this news, I was thinking maybe they are granting him access to, to leave, even if not, make the even monitor him for hospital. But let's find out more details in detail. Justice Binta Nyako on Wednesday gave the order after hearing an ex parte application then battled filed by the IPOB Leaders League Council Chief Mike Ozekome San. A federal high court in Abuja granted the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, the permission to apply for an order of mandamus to compel the Secret Police Department of State Services to grant him access to his doctors. Justice Binta Nyako on Wednesday gave the order after hearing an ex parte application the embattled filed by the IPOB's leaderly council chief Mike Ozekome San. Kanu had filed a fresh suit to compel the Department of State Services to grant him access to his doctors to enable them to conduct an independent examination to ascertain his state of health. The indigenous people of Biafra leader is also asking the court for an order granting leave to apply for judicial review in the form of an order of mandamus compelling the respondent to avail him with all his medical records from June 29, 2021 to date, Vanguard report. The court adjourned the matter till February 21st and directed Kanu's legal team to serve all the relevant processes on the DSS and its Director General listed as the first and second respondents in the matter. Kanu is asking the court for an order granting him leave to apply for judicial review in the form of an order of mandamus compelling the respondent to allow the applicant unhindered access to his medical doctors to enable them to conduct an independent examination of his present deteriorating health condition as earlier ordered by the Federal High Court Abuja, Quorum Honorable Justice B.F.M. Nyako on the 21st day of October 2021 and as required by the express provision of Section 7 of the Anti-Torture Act 2017. He is also seeking an order of this Honorable Court granting leave to the applicant to apply for judicial review in the form of an order of mandamus compelling the respondent to avail the applicant with all his medical records from the 29th day of June 2021 to date. Kanu is requesting from the Secret Police his admission records, medical and clinical notes, nursing notes, observation charts, and documentation during treatment or stay in hospital, laboratory test results, pharmaceutical records, radiological scans, images and reports, blood transfusion records, physiotherapy and rehabilitative treatment records, clinical findings, as well as diagnosis and treatment prescribed records. According to Kanu, upon his abduction in Kenya, he was subjected to various forms of brutal torture and inhuman treatment and degradation, which had worsened his health condition. He noted that he suffered a mild cardiac arrest before he was smuggled back into Nigeria. He further told the court the applicant's health condition has continued to take a downward spiral since then, that various medication personnel that attended to the applicant while in custody has repeatedly informed him that they could not ascertain the reason for the depletion of potassium in the applicant's blood. That on various occasions, the medical personnel brought by the respondent took the applicant's blood sample and largely transported same to South Africa for screening, and up to the present there is no end in sight for the trial and error Medicare. That all medical experts that have so far attended to his complex health situation of the applicant failed to medically fathom the explanation for the continued failure of various treatments so far given to the applicant. Hence, the inquiries as to whether the applicant may have been injected with a dangerous substance by those abducted him in Kenya before being forcibly smuggled into Nigeria. On October 13, 2022, the Court of Appeal in Abuja quashed 15 counts bordering on terrorism filed by the Nigerian government against the indigenous people of Biafra leader and discharged. However, the government has appealed the judgment at the Supreme Court. Are they here now? The talk say make them look after, make them take this matter. USA don't tell them make them free this man. Say na USA have been a United Kingdom, have been a United Nations. I don't even really know. I think UK have said they should free this man. And this matter, they should know that this particular man's issue is no longer a Nigerian issue. It has become an international issue. People are actually watching. People are actually watching. People are watching to see what will happen. Nnamdi Kanu the Great, God Almighty shall rise above your enemies. Okay? Nigeria should continue playing with fire that will eventually consume her. What we are expecting is to release it. Me too, when I saw this news, I was thinking maybe they don't tell I'm saying making just to go. That is what I was thinking. No wahala, no problem. Sincerely, all I'm just saying is the government, whether now, whether before, they should do things like this. They should exhaust all peaceful, engagements. Anything we no say then go use peace to make them they use them. All right. My own question to them is whether, this man, they don't say make this man they go. And my also advice to them is whether this one or not, they should be exhausting all peaceful means of, finding solution to problems before they now launch, before they now go violent. But this one, how this issue started was in 2017. They were having talks with this man. All of a sudden, before you will see Jack Robinson, they invaded his house, in the process of which mother and father died. Property worth millions of naira were destroyed. As if that was not enough, even his lawyer self gone. His lawyer came, barrister, is it Ejiofor? Yes, Ejiofor Wabi, or is it Ojako? I wouldn't really know, but I know one of his barristers too. They burnt his house, they burnt his, and I'm asking myself, what the heck is going on? It never reached like this now. It never reached like this. The government should exhaust all measures being taken. They should measure all measures being taken to make sure that, they should exhaust all measures to make sure that there is peace. Now, when you don't exhaust them, when these people can't see they do gra, now you go into, but not now. They no try, government no try. And what's the baffle me now? Even the government that I'm saying they no try, they are still going out telling people say they want to no try. Nigeria, this ball day for our courts. We are hoping that this situation dies back to normal soon. All right, Nigeria, this coming election, make we vote wisely, make we vote smartly, and make we vote very well. Make you vote wisely, make you vote smartly, and make you vote very well. One thing I will say to us is that make sure, say, at the end of the day, let us make sure that at the end of the day, everything is going to, what's it called, is going to end peacefully, rather than, this chaos that we're seeing now. All right, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come here next time, enjoy the rest of your day.